Hi Nat5s, so we are still on Life on Earth, and in particular what we're looking at now is once you've found something, what do you think it actually is? And to identify it, we're going to look at keys. So you'll have seen these before. We've looked at keys way back, and we certainly used them lots of times. And what we're trying to use in a key is to identify something. So what you need to find out is something that will let you separate out things within a group. And the simplest one that you'll have seen is a branching key. Now, you're not going to be asked to produce these, but you could, I suppose, see one. Okay. The problem with them is they start to take up lots and lots of space. Okay, so we will start looking at this one. So we've got our woodlice here. Okay, so we just start running the branch. So has it got legs? Yes. So we're going down this way. Has it got wings? No. Has it got more than 8 legs? Yes. So we're down to here. Okay, we go back up for this one. Has it got legs? No. Has it got a shell? Yes. And we're down to here. We're looking at the butterfly here. Got legs? Yes. Got wings? Yes. Feathered antenna? No. Pop it in here. No legs, no shell. Got wings, feathered antenna, and that's the moth in. And lastly, got legs, not got wings, 8 legs. Okay, and that's fine, but you've got 6 animals in here and it's already taking up quite a lot of space. You can imagine if you had 8 or 9 animals, you're going to have to keep on going along here, and really quickly it starts getting out of control. So here's our way of fixing it. We go with a number paired statement key. Now you have to be able to use these. You have to be able to make them by filling in blanks. So it's not a small one. So what we do with these is, because we can put them into paired statements written, we're not going to use a diagram in the same way. You could have these in a book, and the book can be quite big. You can have literally hundreds and thousands of different statements. So what you have is a number with a pair of statements, hence the fact it's called a paired statement key. And each pair of statements splits the group that you've currently got into 2, just like a branch key. So each pair then sends you to another number or gets you an answer. Okay, so if we have the following fruits, okay, let's assume you have no idea what these fruits are called. You've just been handed these fruits and you're going to use the key to figure out what they are. So here's your key. So here is our first statement. Okay, so you notice it's a pair, so this is for number 1. So our options are seeds on the outside, it's a strawberry, no seeds on the outside, go to 2. So if you picked up this one and you looked at it, you went, well, the seeds on the outside, strawberry. Picked up in any of the other ones, we're going to have to go to 2. So here's our option for 2. Green on the inside, not green on the inside. So the only one that's green on the inside is the kiwi fruit, and otherwise we're going to go to 3. Now we've got 2 branches on this one, as it were. So the ones that are left, if the outside is red, I'm going to go to 4. If the outside is not red, I'm going to go to 5. Now notice, although the strawberry is red, we've already got rid of the strawberry right at the beginning. Okay. So if it's smooth outside, this is our red ones, remember, it's a red apple. And if it's not smooth outside, it's something called a dragon fruit. Okay, it's the only one I think you might not have seen. If the outside is not red, I'm going to 5, and if the outside is yellow, it's a banana, and if it's not yellow, it's orange. Okay? So here we go. This is going to be pretty simple. We've got 4 animals shown here. These are all pond animals. So pause it and have a shot at drawing your own one. Okay? Right, here's me doing a kind of run of this one. So you could have done it lots of different ways. So let's start with, we're going to go for statement 1. Let's go with has wings and no wings, because that lets me split off the dragonfly. Oh, slightly dodgy writing, sorry. From everything else. Everything else we're just going to say, okay, go to 2. So I go to 2. And this time, so I've got now my water flea, my water snail, and the water louse. So I'm going to go with shell. Okay, so shell, no shell, because that's pretty straightforward as well. Okay, so we've now got our water snail and our, oh, sorry, go to 3. We're at 3. Okay, right, so all we've got left now is our water flea and our water louse. So what could be, there's lots of different things you could go for. This is down a microscope, so you could go with, can you only see it with a microscope? Both of them have these kind of antennae things at the front, so that's not helpful. But this one doesn't have any legs, this one does, so let's go with that. So legs, no legs. Our legs is our water louse, and our no legs is our water flea. And that's one possible way you could have done it. What's important is also that you can work back the way. So if you're asked for characteristics of, say, the water flea, okay, so we're looking for characteristics of this one, okay, you have to be able to work back. So you would say, well, the water flea has no legs, okay, and then because that was at 3, I have to go to my go to 3 here, and so you'd say no legs, and also I know no shell. And because I came from 2, go to 2, I also has no wings. Okay, so you could be asked to give 2 or 3 characteristics of a water flea, or any of the other things that you're looking at. Okay, that's us.